Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for YouTube using Opera browser on Windows 11 PC. For this, first open Opera browser and then visit youtube.com, and in case you requires sign into your account. Now click on this one start button and type Opera in the search results. Right click on this one Opera browser entry, select open file location. Again right click on this one shortcut, select open file location. Now you will find Opera application. Press shift key on the keyboard and then right click on this one application. In the pop-up, select copy as path. Now right click on the free space on the desktop, select here new and then shortcut option. Now paste this one copied path in this one location box, then type put one space, then hyphen, then type URL, again put one space. Now copy the URL from this one Opera browser and paste it at the end in the location box. Then click on this one next button, name it YouTube. Then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for YouTube, but it will have Opera icon. To change this one icon, right click on it, select properties option, then click on this one change icon button. Now click on this one browse button, and in case you have downloaded a YouTube icon, then navigate to the location and select it. And in case you have not downloaded it, download a beautiful icon of YouTube and then select it and then click on this one open button. Again click on this one OK button, click apply, OK. Now a YouTube shortcut will be available on your Windows desktop. When you double click on this one icon, it will automatically open YouTube in your Opera browser in a new tab on your Windows PC.